Are you looking for a simple exercise to warm up your paintbrushes early in January? And it'll help you maybe think about your New Year's resolutions or where you want to take your art during the year. You can use it as you like. My name's Liz Chaderton. I'm a watercolour artist based in Berkshire. Every week I share tips and tricks that I wish I'd known about ages ago. This week I've been reviewing this set of watercolours from Liang, but over the new year there was quite a lot of discussion online about some people actually hating review videos of watercolours, saying, I've got enough watercolours. But I thought this exercise that I put together to review those paints was so nice that it could stand on its own. So if you want to see the full review, I'll put a link to that. If you just want to do the exercise, stay here. What I've done is use some washi tape left over from Christmas, and I've taped off the edges because having a clean border sometimes makes things look just a bit crisper. And then I've taped off random shapes through it. I actually had to cut it in half because it needed to be a bit narrower given the size of the book. Fill in some of the gaps. Let's just use those colours. So that was the deep yellow, and then I'm going to drop in some of that magenta that I rather liked and see how it moves around on the surface. Got some of that magenta on my brush. I can put that down and then spread it out, and you can see it goes from light to dark. That's rather pretty. Let's use some of that yellow ochre and we'll spread that out and let that move through the water. I like that olive green, didn't I? So let's put in some dots of olive green, see whether it moves or sits there, or just make patterns. This is not anything too heavy or serious. We are playing because the ability to play is such a good thing. Grab that purple. Maybe let's try some black and get it going from purple to black. That was the ivory black. Put some over here. Viridian's a funny old colour. You'd never see that green in nature, but it's a good mixing colour. Happens if I put some of that lemon yellow in. Put some little stripes there. Now let's peel off the tape and see what we've got. There you go. Doesn't it make a difference once you get the tape off? And do you see what I mean about having those nice crisp edges? If you're doing this in January, what you could do is actually write your New Year's resolutions through here and turn this into a little art therapy page as well. I've put in my New Year's resolutions or the things I'm going to focus on this year. They're not resolutions. And they range from walking 8,000 steps each day to recording a portrait course for my online painting school. However you want to do it or use this is a nice way of maybe thinking about a few of the things you want to focus on. Oh, and we really want to visit Japan, so keep an eye open for that. Whatever your resolutions, I hope 2026 is a great, colourful, artful year for you.